Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Vlogmess. Today I will be unboxing for you some designer items that I got on sale. And if you are not familiar with luxury designer sales, there are some brands that do go on sale anywhere from 20 to 40 to 60% off. I did an entire video about this, so check that video out, I'll link it below. And also follow me on Instagram, it's @aheatedmess. Anytime there's a great deal or sale, a lot of times these aren't available online and it's through a client advisor or sales associate, and I follow a lot of them on Instagram. So follow me on Instagram, turn on notifications because I usually post to my stories and then to my YouTube community page whenever there's like a really great deal. So in today's video, I wanted to unbox some Dior stuff that I got on sale. And unfortunately, I've already filmed the official unboxing. However, my microphone died and I did not know it. So I'll try to throw up the video, maybe, I guess. But the audio, you cannot hear anything. But this is it. This is the holiday packaging. You may recognize this from my last Black Friday haul video. It's a beautiful gold and white theme, and it extends to their gift boxes. So I actually ordered 2 more things that are still on the way. So I might include that with my Christmas, like what I got for Christmas video, because one of them is a bag. And yes, Dior bags do go on sale. I was able to score a bag on sale from Dior. So stay tuned for that. But for today, I just wanted to do these quick little items. Also, I have something from Gucci that I got on sale, although it wasn't officially part of the Gucci sale, I guess, like seasonal sale. I got the Gucci eyeshadow palette. This was available from Sephora, and I actually included this in my Sephora sale wish list, and then I ended up not getting it because I put this in my cart and then I kind of walked away. And then it sold out and I was like, I didn't really need it. After the sale ended, Sephora offered another 20% off one-time use, whatever. And so it was back in stock, so I got it. So this is it, packaging. The eyeshadow palette comes in this really cute pink velvet pouch. This kind of got scrunched up because you could tell when they boxed it, it was literally like this, crumpled up in the box. But this is the little velvet pouch. This is also a similar pouch that if you buy the Gucci face powder, it comes in a similar velvet pouch like this, but unbox that and there it is. Oh, that's so pretty. I think it's so pretty. It's really weighty and heavy. Did you guys see House of Gucci? I already mentioned it in one of my videos. It was a good movie, go check it out. These are the colors. Now the eyeshadow pans are a little smaller than what I anticipated it would be. Of course, everything is very clearly labeled in the description. I don't want to swatch it yet because I just want to take pictures of it first while it's still clean. But there are a bunch of Gucci eyeshadow palette reviews, and it shockingly is not that bad. Like the pigmentation and the quality. And I just think it's a cool variety of colors. You know, like there's that really cool blue. It's a nice mix of matte and shimmers. So yeah, I think I will get a lot of use out of this. It's really versatile. But anyway, so this was $149, I believe, and then it was 20% off during the Sephora like last minute sale, and so it came to $118. So technically I got Gucci on sale, but you know, it's Gucci Beauty and it was through the Sephora sale. Okay, now on to Dior. So again, watch my video about how to score luxury designer stuff on sale, because again, a lot of these items are not available online. You really need to have a relationship with a client advisor, because even before the sale starts, they will do what's called a pre-sale. And so I was able to pre-order these items before the sale officially went live, and then they, rung me up for it. But I'll start off with this big box. And again, it was wrapped up really pretty and it had the ribbon, but that footage just didn't work with the audio. I'll just open it up for you here. Here it is. And it was really nicely packaged. Here's the packaging. And you have this necklace. Now, you guys may have noticed, I wear this necklace all the time, and this was literally in my best and worst luxury purchases for the year. I wear this necklace all the time. It's so easy to use. It's easy to put on. It opens in the front because it's a toggle necklace. It's like a rustic, antique-y finish. So it goes with, casual and dressy things. And so when this was on sale, I was like, okay, I want this too. So this is the choker version. This is called the 30 Montaigne, and it's a regular lobster clasp at the top or in the back. And then the front Has the CD logo, and it's a very shiny gold finish. Okay, so this is it on the website. And I believe the sale may be already over. The Dior sales are funny because they'll have a pre-order for their sale stuff. You know, you put your order in, they pre-sell the items to you. Then when the sale goes live, they'll ship it out. Then the sale ends, and then all the same items will go back to normal price, I guess. So, you know, interesting. So this retails for $870, and this was on sale for 40% off. So I got this for 60% of the retail price. So with the 40% off, it came to $522. And I'll just show you what this looks like. Okay, so let me take this off. I'll take off my toggle necklace, and then I'll put this on for you. Now this is a choker, so it really, I wouldn't probably wear it with this outfit because this is a low kind of a V-neck. And this is why I love my toggle necklace, because it's just so much easier to put on. I'm just like blindly stabbing the lobster clasp. Okay, got it. Okay, so maybe a little dressier because the gold is a lot shinier. And then again, it's a choker style, so it doesn't hang as low as my toggle necklace. But I just thought it was really cute. This would look really cute with, I don't really wear turtlenecks. Yeah, if I have something with a higher neckline, I would wear this with that. Okay, so that is the necklace. And then I got something else. So this is the smaller box here. Same thing, I had unboxed this, it was so pretty. This is the packaging. And this is it. And it fell off of the pillow. Here's a pillow, but I got the matching bracelet. So here is the bracelet. Same very shiny gold. Here's the screenshot of it. So same collection, 30 Montaigne and the shiny gold finish. This retailed for $590. And then this was also 40% off, so I got it for $354, but that is it. This has an interesting clasp because, you know, it's a bracelet, so you don't want it to fall off. But it has this clasp that folds over. I tried this on, and it's kind of tricky to put on and off. Okay, so there is the clasp. It says Dior, and then there's the front. So very pretty, it matches, nice set. So yeah, just a quick Dior unboxing. And again, I do have another sale bag on the way. So these are just the 2 Dior fashion custom jewelry that I got on sale for 40% off. Someone asked me if it's a private sale, and it's not private, it's just that it's not widely broadcast. And again, if you have a Dior client advisor who, you know, lets you know ahead of time what's on sale, you do what's called a pre-sale, pre-order, and then you kind of get first dibs before the sale then goes public to everyone else. But I was able to snatch this set for 40% off. And then one more thing that I almost forgot also. So in that other video, when I already previously unboxed this, I showed the Chanel VIP gift this year. I have Chanel Beauty sales associates, sales advisors who already help me. And so whenever I place an order, they include gifts and, you know, everything's great. But if you spend, I guess, I don't know what the threshold is. If you spend enough and you're considered a Chanel VIP client, then Chanel Corporate will actually send you a gift separate from your local client advisor from the boutique. So I wanted to show you what I got this year. So when I came in, I was super excited because I was really looking forward to it. I'll show you what I got last year. I got the Chanel Beauty candle. This is what sits in the background of my pretty much all my advent calendar unboxings. I usually put my diptyque lantern spinner on here, and then when the heat rises, it spins. It's really pretty. So this just sits on my vanity. Then I saw that some other VIP clients received, I think, a notebook as a gift or a bookmark or something like that. So I was like, oh, okay, that, you know, really nice. I wonder what they have this year. So I got this box, and I already threw the box away because, like I said, I did the unboxing video already. I filmed it, but the box was like this big, and it comes from Chanel, you know, New York. And I opened it and I was like, oh. So on top was this card, the number 5, with the holiday packaging. And then on the back, it has Happy Holidays from Chanel, the QR code. And then I got this. It is a mini of the number 5 Low perfume, which at this point, this is my 3rd, I think, because I received one during the Factory 5 collection over the summer that I purchased a bunch of stuff. This was a gift. And then obviously with the Chanel calendar debacle, they also included a mini number 5 Low perfume. So yeah, this is it. It's 1.5 ml. So it's literally smaller than, you know, those tiny spray bottles, like the tiny tester bottle samples of perfume you get like a gift purchase. it's smaller than that. Like the juice amount is smaller. The bottle's cute. It's a mini version of their full size. But yeah, this was their gift for VIP clients. All right, so just a quick unboxing of all the sale stuff. Not all the sale stuff. I still have some more on the way. So stay tuned for the Dior bag that I got on sale. But yeah, I got my Gucci eyeshadow palette. I got this Dior set on sale. And then this teeny tiny Chanel perfume as my gift. I hope you enjoyed that unboxing. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.